So in the earlier video I explained you comparing quantities, that is MRP, SP, CP, profit, loss, compound interest, simple interest. Now more question based on compound interest. First, find CI on rupees 10,000 at 8% compounded half yearly for 1 year. So amount principal is 10,000 and rate is 8% and time is 1 year. But interest is compounded half yearly. Okay, you have to write here interest is half yearly, so amount equals to P1 plus rate upon 2 into 100 power 2t. I explained you when it is half yearly, compound interest is half yearly, then rate becomes half and time becomes double. So 10,000 1 plus 8 upon 200 power time is 1. So it will become 2. So 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 0, 2 1s are 2, 25s are. So it will become 10,000 1 plus 1 upon 25 power 2. So 10,000 into 26 upon 25 power 2. So amount equals to 10,000 into 676 upon 625. 25 4s are 25 25s are 25 1s are 25 1s are 25 6 are. So amount 16 into 676. So amount is 10816. Amount is this much, but we have to find out compound interest. So compound interest equals to amount minus principal, that is 10816 minus 10,000. So your answer is compound interest paid by him is rupees 816. It is your answer. Now next question is find CI on rupees 1,25,000 for 9 months at 8% compounded quarterly. So when it is compounded quarterly, rate becomes 1/4 time and time becomes 4 times. So principal is rupees 1,25,000. Rate is 8% and time is 9 months. So when it is compounded quarterly, I am solving it here, 9 into 4. So it will become 36 months. 36 months means 3 years. Okay? So directly I will write here 3 years. So amount equals to P1 plus R upon 400, 4 into 100 that is 400 upon whole power 4t. So P 1,25,000 1 plus 8 upon 200, sorry 400 power directly value of 4t is 3 years. 3 years. 8 ones are 8 fives are. So 1,25,000 into 51 upon 50 power 3 upon 1, 2, 5 and 3 zeros. So it will cancel this. So your amount is 1,32,651 rupees. Okay, but you have to find out CI. So CI equals to amount minus principal. That is 132,651 minus 1,25,000. So CI 7651 rupees. It is your answer. Now next question is find amount on rupees 62,500 for 2 years 6 months at 12%. So look at this question. Time is in fraction. 2 years. First, principal is rupees 62,500. Time is 2 years 6 months. 2 years and half. 2.5 years. 2.5 years and rate is 12%. So when time is in fraction, we apply different formula. That is amount equals to P1 plus R upon 100 power T. Till here it is same. Now 1 plus A upon B into rate whole upon 100. Okay. So A upon B means year, that is in fraction. 2 will come here and half will come here. Okay. So principal is 62,500. 1 plus 12 upon 100 power 2. 1 plus half into 12 whole upon 100. Okay. Now 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So 62500, it will become 28 upon 25. Okay, 25 LCM लेकर के आप सॉल्व करेंगे. So it will become 28 upon 25 whole power 2. And here 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Okay, I am solving it here in rough. 1 upon 2 into 12 whole upon 100. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 50s are. Okay, it means it is becoming 1 plus 3 upon 50. Okay, it means 53 upon 50. So it will become 53 upon 50. And always solve this bracket separately and directly write values here. It will become easy for you. So 62500 into square of 20, 784 upon 625 into 53 upon 50. 625 ones are, hundreds are, 50 ones are, 52s are. So amount is 83104. So it is amount. It is your answer. Don't forget, this formula is applicable only when time is given in fraction. So fraction will come here and whole number will come here.